student, young people.
Right, yeah.
You know, so yeah, this is fantastic. This
I
is the
worked
stuff
with
you
that
talk.
program just before leaving.
Yeah,
at Rutgers,
actually.
we have about 25 of them at Rutgers.
No,
Yeah.
fantastic. Did you tell them that's the home of Paul Robeson?
Oh, sure.
Yeah, I took them to the center myself.
My hero. If it's just Paul Robeson, I go to Michigan State, they say, this is the home of Magic Johnson. I said, man, give me a... Yeah. Anyway, all great people, and I hope you all. So you've had a busy day, and I know you Americans eat early, so may I suggest we have sort of a working discussion, and then I'm going to do a short presentation for you, which is my new book, which I'm going to be finishing writing in my old university on the west coast of your country in November, December, January. I take 3 months to write a book, so I negotiated before I take my second term, when I'm sort of in my second term, to just take over those 3 months and just write like crazy. And so you getting a preview of what the book is about. Nicolene, who's an absolutely amazing person to work with, she's helping me with a lot of the background research and all that stuff. So let's grab a plate of food, come right in, and we eat. I think we've taken care of all